Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see problem number 7, which is based on integral linear expression upon quadratic expression. Let us start. Integral x upon x square minus 6x plus 13 dx. Here you can see the linear expression is x and the quadratic expression is x square minus 6x plus 13. Therefore, we can directly start with the first step as substituting x as a into d by dx of x square minus 6x plus 13 plus b. Therefore, x is equal to a, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 13 will be 0 plus b. That will give you a into 2x is 2ax minus 6 into a is minus 6a plus b. Here on comparing, you can see 2a will be equal to 1 and minus 6a plus b will be equal to 0 as no constant term is present in the left hand side. Therefore, the value of a here is 1 by 2 and substituting value of a as 1 by 2 we can find the value of b. Minus 6 into 1 by 2 plus b will be 0. Here we have 2 1s are 2 3s are minus 3 plus b will be 0. Therefore, b is equal to plus 3. Now let us substitute the values of a and b in this equation. Therefore, x is equal to a, that is 1 upon 2 into 2x minus 6 plus b, that is 3. Our given integral I is x upon x square minus 6x plus 13 dx. The value of x will be 1 upon 2 into 2x minus 6 plus 3 upon x square minus 6x plus 13 dx. Now let us separate this denominator to both the terms present in the numerator. This will give you 1 upon 2 into 2x minus 6 upon x square minus 6x plus 13 plus 3 upon x square minus 6x plus 13 dx. Separating integral and taking constant outside, this will give you 1 upon 2 integral 2x minus 6 upon x square minus 6x plus 13 dx plus 3 into integral 1 upon x square minus 6x plus 13 dx. The first part of integral is in the form of integral f dash x upon f of x as derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. This will give you 1 upon 2 log of denominator, that is x square minus 6x plus 13 plus 3. Let us consider this integral as I1 and take it as equation number 1. On further solving I1, we will substitute it again in equation number 1 to get to the final answer. I1 is integral 1 upon x square minus 6x plus 13 dx. Therefore, we can directly go for the third term as coefficient of x square is 1. Third term is equal to half into coefficient of x, the whole square. This will give you half into coefficient of x is minus 6, the whole square. On cancelling 2 and 6, we have minus 3 the whole square left, which will give you plus 9. Now let us add and subtract this third term in the denominator. This will give you 1 upon x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 9 and we have plus 13 left. I1 is, these three terms can be reduced to x minus 3 the whole square. As square root of first term is x, sine of second term is minus, and square root of third term is 3 the whole square. Minus 9 plus 13 will give you plus 4 dx. In the next step, we will write 4 as 2 square. Therefore, I1 is equal to integral 1 upon x minus 3 the whole square plus 2 square dx. I can compare this integration with the standard formula 1 upon x square plus a square dx. That gives you 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Similarly, I1 will be 1 upon a, the value of a is 2, into tan inverse, the value of x is x minus 3 upon 2 plus c. Now let us substitute I1 in equation number 1. Our equation number 1 was I is equal to half log x square minus 6x plus 13 plus 3I1. This will give you I is equal to half log x square minus 6x plus 13 plus 3 into I1. I1 is 1 by 2. That is 3 into 1 by 2 will give you 3 upon 2 tan inverse x minus 3 upon 2 plus c. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.